So even if this is a little bit too complicated of a subject for you to paint, you can still learn a lot by just watching and seeing how somebody troubleshoots something a little bit more complex. It's really not as complex as it might seem, though. It's a lot of shapes, and it's a lot of puzzling shapes together. But really, it's like one big shadow shape that looks a lot like this, and one big light shape. And you just have to get the values and the colors in those shapes correct, or at least get them to read right between each other. That's more important than matching the photo. I mean, yeah, matching the photo, you want it to look like it works and melds well in here.